Hi, this is Mooji with Flatbed Sales. We are in Bakersfield, California, and we have a 28-foot flatbed right here. It's very long. Now, we can cut this to any length you would like. 20 feet, 24, 26, or we can keep it 28. And the reason why it's bent here in the middle is because there is a line already here. And I just asked our welder here and he said that is not a problem at all. You can see there is a line, but that is not a problem at all. It's gonna be straight when it goes on the truck. Because of the truck frame is gonna be, the chassis is gonna be straight. So I'm just showing it to you here from all different sides. And it has a bumper already, so you don't have to pay extra for a bumper. All right, and you can see right here. So we can install this one for you, or you can just pick it up as is. Installation will be $1,400, or if you would like us to cut it, the cutting will be $1,000. So if you would like it cut shorter, let's say 24 feet or 20 feet, it will be $2,400 to cut it for you. And this is our welding shop right here in Bakersfield. We do everything that is welding related to trucks. We can install this reefer box. This is a bucket system that we removed from a truck, and that's the dump with a grapple that we made. So anything that is equipment related welding, commercial related welding, we can do right here. All right, let me know if you would like that flatbed.